Amelia just turned 5 months, so he's 4.5. Oh, she's trying to get her foot in there too. That's not fair, Amelia. Hands only.
No.
Hey, Amelia. Amelia.
No.
Lay down.
Hi.
Lay down.
Hi. Hi. Hey.
Get it. Come on, Ethan, you're bigger.
Pull it, Ethan. Pull it.
Tungsten grip.
Pull it.
Hang on for dear life.
She's using her whole body weight. I don't think she does. No, she's like pulling herself up on it.
I'm still a man. I got this.
I got it. I'm not just gonna let you
I had
have it.
some of
You gotta
yours and
fight
get it.
for it.
Yeah, what?
You guys are too cute.